Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the great deals going on right now at Walmart. So let's dive in. To get us started, we're going to check out some of the tool clearance deals. Start off with this Hart dual port charger. So if you have the Hart brand, you can check this out, save a little bit of money, and then also have quick charger. We also have the 40-volt dual fast charger here for Hart as well. Pretty good price for that. Get to save a little bit. Then we also have the 2-in-1 grass shears from Hart right here. So if you need to grab some of these with springtime coming up, you can grab some and be able to save a little bit of money. Hart is a good brand. It's going to help you save some money and is a great DIY and project brand. So if you need to grab some of these just for some projects around the house, they're definitely going to be good for you. And then we also see this other 40-volt battery here. You can grab one of these for $75. Again, solid price, going to do the job well. Then we also have the Hart brushless chainsaw here. You can get one of these. Again, pretty good price for a chainsaw. So if you need to grab one, you can get one of these. The 16-inch Hart brushless chainsaw here, just under $170. So again, good price on this. Another helpful item right here, we see this ultra mini air pump. You can grab one of these for under $10. Always great to have one of these on hand just for whatever project might come around. Then we do see some of the heaters still on sale, so if you need to grab one of these, utility heater for $14, you can have one of those in the shop. And then also one of these quick fill pumps. We've used this multiple times just pumping up things around the house. We also have this 5-bike tailgate pad for Hyper Tough, so if you need to grab one of those, you definitely can. Then we also have a few other items right here, but want to highlight this Hyper Tool angle grinder on sale for $42. Again, Hyper Tough's going to do a pretty good job. And then another handy heater here for $14.50 and a couple more heating options. They also had some of their Hart tools on sale, so you can always go back there and check them out, see what is available at your store. And then another cool deal they have right here is this 4-element infrared quartz heater for $44. Again, this is a great thing just to go ahead and pack away for next winter. Great way to save a little bit of money and be prepared. And we also see a few of these door locks, so if you need a door lock for your shop or even your house, you can grab some of these electronic deadbolts. Again, great prices on some of these items, so you can get these and do a little DIY project fixing things around the house. Then we also have a few different other doorknobs, handles, and deadbolts as well, so if you need to grab a few of these, you can save a little bit of money and replace some of those at your house. We also have this Pit Boss Platinum cover here. If you need one of these, again, $39. Pit Boss is a great brand. I actually have one and love it. But if you need one of these covers for your Laredo 1000, you can go grab one of these, save a little bit of money. Another fun tool we have right here is this little hatchet for $29. It's like a survival tool, has a hatchet, see the saw, also the hammer, and a few other fun items. So this could be a great little gift for someone or just something to keep in your truck at all times in case you're having to fix something on the job site. Then I actually ran over to another Walmart just to check out some of their deals. We see some of the same things. We do see this light right here, a little clamp-on light. Very similar deals with the fast charger here. Also the chainsaw. Check that one out, same price. Then they did have a few more outdoor items. They had some of these tents available, so if you want to grab some of these for $30, you can check those out. Pretty good price. Then we check out some of the hunting deals. If you want to grab some of these, you can. These are some great deals on just some SD card reader products and other items. Some of these have been picked over, as you can tell right here, but some of them are still available. Let me know what's still available in your store and if these have been picked over. I know some of these deals are going away because now it is turkey season and most of the deer season stuff has been either picked over or put over in the clearance section, so let me know what you plan on grabbing. But we see a few of these SD card readers, so if you want to check your trail cams and just be able to check them at the spot, you can do that. We also have some bags on sale. Check some of these out, and a few other fun outdoor items for hunting and even camping as well. So pretty good prices on a lot of these right here. You can see that's down significantly in price. So if you want to grab this item for next year, you can do that. Also have more sail cams, some prices on these. Still using these for different other things going on, like I mentioned with turkey season coming on, or if you do other type of hunting, these are still available right now. And like I mentioned, they do have a lot of their turkey hunting products out, so you can grab some of these deals. A lot of these aren't on super clearance just yet, but once the season goes out, I'll make sure I show you guys all the deals going on. But you can still grab some great mouth calls and diaphragms here for a really good price. So if you need to grab some of these, even if you are an avid hunter, it's still great to have a couple backups. But grab some of these things here from Walmart, save a little bit of money, and get you going back out there and having some fun. Then, like I mentioned, a few more archery items on sale with the season closing out. You can check some of these. Some quivers here. Also, we have some releases, even this little whisker biscuit here. But a few more fun items, and then even some broadheads. If you want to grab some of these broadheads, because they usually are pretty expensive, you can grab some of these, save some money, and then being able to use them in the fall. Also, if this video has been helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe so that you never miss another deal. And then, like I mentioned, some of these items have been picked over because when the price drops, they were able to go in, and a lot of people have picked these up. But you can still see a few of these available, so you want to check out your local Walmart and go and see if they're still available where you are. And then Rage hardly ever go on sale, as you can tell right there. They usually keep their value all year long, but they are really good broadheads. Then we also have this quick set feeder. So if you want to grab one of these, pretty easy setup. Again, you get to save a little bit of money on this. So you can grab one of these, save a few bucks, and get you ready for the fall. And like I mentioned, a lot of these have been picked over, but you can still see what might be available in your area. Then I saw a few just little fun items right here. You can grab some of these, just little blasters. I think that would be some fun items on here, just to have some fun with your kids, or even just to be able to shoot with yourself. I think this would be a lot of fun. Grab some of these, maybe even for a gift for someone. But these are pretty cool. My kids have had some of these items, and we've enjoyed it. So great little prices on some of these things. Just again, go ahead and have some fun. Then we also have the pipe wrap insulation tape. Save a little bit of money on this. Again, I know it's starting to warm up, but if you want to grab some for the wintertime, you can go do that and save a little bit of money. And they also have some deals on some fishing gear here, the multicolor dip tubes. If you want to grab some of these, get it for a decent price here for $3.42, down from $5. Save a little bit of money on those, so you can go ahead and grab one and get out and have some fun. I do think some of these were available in my last video, some thermal underwear. So if you want to grab some of these for the fall or for the winter time, you can go ahead and grab some and save a little bit of money. These are only about $10. You can do that. They also have a little chef spoon here for some outdoor cooking. Grab that, save a little bit of money as well. Here's another helpful item. We have a scratch repair kit. I've actually never used this myself, but it might be helpful if you have some scratches on your vehicle or something at your house. You can check one of these out. Maybe you were able to put it in there, or maybe it was somebody else that might have put some scratches in your vehicle. You can grab this and try to fix it. Then we also see a few different bags on sale here. If you're into some camping or hiking, you can check out some of these bags. Again, dropping in pricing right here, $17 is a great price for a little camping slash hiking bag. You can check that out. Then we also have some other fishing gear on sale as well. So if you want to grab some fishing gear to have some fun, take the kids outside, let them catch some fish, this is a great way to get them started. Walmart has some great stuff with this. You don't have to have the best reel and the best top end stuff to get out there and have some fun, but these are great. Just little spinner reels here. You can grab you some of these. Here is another wild game feeder. So if you need one of these, it's a pretty good price. Get saved a little bit of money on this, kind of get you ready for next year's season or just feeding deer throughout the summer. Also can grab a deal right here on this Minn Kota trolling motor here for $200. So get a few dollars off of this if you want to get out there, like I mentioned, and just have some fun, enjoy some days on the lake. You can grab this. Another cool item we have right here is this youth archery bow. You can get one of these right here for $50. Good price on that, just kind of getting your kids started in archery. I know my kids have enjoyed it, and it's a lot of fun. This even comes with a whisker biscuit, so it's a nice little rest for them. But it's a great way to get them started, get them outside, just enjoying that. Then we have this chair on sale. You can grab one of these, a little rope swing for 30 bucks. I think this will be a lot of fun for you or for the kids to get outside, just enjoy the weather and have some fun outside. Get a pretty good price on this and you get to enjoy it a little bit. So it's a great thing to check out. And then you also have another spinner reel right here for 23 bucks. This is a pretty good deal. Again, it might not be your top end reel, but Ozark Trail is a decent brand and it's going to do a good job just to get you out there having some fun, casting a line, and enjoying the day. But overall, there's some great deals going on right now at Walmart, whether that be some DIY stuff, some outdoor stuff. I think there's a bunch of great deals going on. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, if this video was helpful, you can leave a like and subscribe so you'll never miss another deal. And I will see you in the next video.